I am pretty sure that I accidentally stayed in a love hotel here in Seoul last night. Does that say condoms? We have massage gel. Alright, how we looking? Good morning from Seoul, South Korea. And like I said, I'm pretty sure I stayed in a love hotel last night. On accident. There was no love making on my end. I can tell you that for sure, but we're gonna get to why I'm pretty sure it was a love hotel. So here's the hotel, the lovely Hotel K. Like, it doesn't really look dodgy, but I don't know. It just feels a little iffy. Also, it's really early, so I don't want to be like talking super loud, walking in the hallways, but. So, here's my room. Alright, and welcome to my room. This is room 401 in the beautiful Hotel K, which, like I said, I think it is a love hotel. Which, I don't even really know what a love hotel means. Does that mean everyone in this fine establishment is here for one reason and one reason only, which is making love? I'm not really sure. It did the job. It got the job done for me. It was I think it was like $30 a night, which is a steal of a deal. You're not gonna find a room for $30 in Seoul unless it's a hostel. So it worked for me. But yeah, let's do a little room tour first, okay? Here we got the lovely bathroom. That, hold on, I gotta turn on the light. I don't really know. It's like this electronic. Did that do it? Okay. So here we got the bathroom. We got the nice pristine toilet. Okay. We got enough towels. I hope they're clean. You never really know. My favorite part of the bathroom, well, besides this beautiful view. Hello, outside world. I'm just in here taking a quick shower. See, you could be in here just taking a shower, you know? Looking outside and just be like, wow, what has my life become? Staying in love hotels with women that I met in back alleyways that I don't know their real name and I may never know their real name. But we're gonna get back to it. So my favorite part of this bathroom has to be the toothpaste. It's not my toothpaste. I did not bring this toothpaste. It was just in here, so I will not be using their toothpaste. I have my own, so thank you. Also, this lovely bar of soap that I haven't touched, but there's a hair on it. Okay. So that's the bathroom. And the bathroom will get the job done. Going to shut this and shut this for the best noise cancellation possible. But before we get into the whole room tour, I'm gonna go through my favorite part. Okay, this is the first thing I looked at when I got here, and this is what showed me, wow, I think this is a love hotel. So they gave me this multi-bathroom boutique set, which I was like, okay, what the heck is in here? Maybe like a toothbrush, right? I opened her up, and the first thing I pulled out was these things right here. And I looked at it, and I was like, wait, does that say condoms? 2 smooth, double safe condoms? Oh my gosh, And then it clicked. I was like, I'm pretty sure this is a love hotel. But let's see what else is in here. Shower towel. Okay. Toothbrush. 2 toothbrush. Okay, in case your companion also needs a toothbrush. Companion. A razor. A lady set for travel. Lady set for travel. I wonder what is in here. Oh, just cute. Oh, that's actually cool. Q-tips. Whatever you gals call these things, I don't really know. And then what are these 2 things? Oh, baby. Oh, baby. We have massage gel. Massage gel, it says love more. We have a foam cleansing. Oh, that's just a makeup remover. Feminine. And then we have a feminine cleanser. Cleanliness for women's health. Oh. Oh. And that is all in this Amenity kit. But yeah, going through those items there, I was like, you know what? I'm pretty sure this is a love-making facility. A love hotel, as they are called. But I've got no problem with it. It got the job done for me, although the bed is not the most comfortable. But let's go through the room first, okay? So here's our lovely desk. It has a fridge, which I'm taking advantage of. What do we have here? Lotion. It's a lotion, skin, moisture emulsion, moisture skin conditioner. We have a hairspray, and this is the best thing in the room. Bug spray. That is something you just love to see in a hotel room. I can tell you that much. What else do we have? Some tea. And then you could use your kettle, make some tea here. We have a gown. Disinfection to have guests always will serve you with your sincerity. That's not perfect English, but you know what? That's okay. Whoa, we have 2 gowns. I'm gonna try this on. I'm gonna try this gown on, okay? Give me 1 second. Alright, now we're looking a little bit more snazzy. All I really have left to showcase is the bed, the aircon, and then our lovely view. So let's go into that. First off, what the heck? I can't think of what this is called, but I'm gonna pop some because I'm a child. I'm a child. I really don't know. Oh, I think that's there so people can't see in. Haha. So people can't see in. Wow. Shocking. But yeah, time for the bed test, and it's not looking great because it's about as hard as a rock. It's hard as a rock. It ain't perfect. It ain't perfect whatsoever, but it got the job done. It did come with a real nice 4 pillows, which you can't beat 4 pillows. But yeah, that's about all I have for the room tour here. I do wanna talk about a couple lovely things about this hotel, right? A couple interesting facts that if they had these rules at a hotel in not rules, but like if you were staying at a hotel in the United States, you'd be like, what the heck? So first off, check-in is not till 9 p.m. That's right, 9 p.m. I came to this hotel yesterday after leaving my other hotel, and I got here at noon, and I was trying to talk to him, and he spoke no English, so I was using Translate whatnot, and I was like, I check in tonight. He was like, no, not right now. I was like, no, I know, tonight. And he was writing down on a piece of paper, he said 2100, like a 9 p.m. strict 9 p.m. check-in. And I was like, that's so crazy. A 9 p.m. check-in for a hotel. Like, in America, you have people trying to get early check-ins at like 1 p.m. So 9 p.m. was insane. And I was like, okay, 9 p.m. I was like, can I leave my bags here? And he was like, yes. So he took my bags and put them to the side. Luckily, this guy was incredible, and I came back at 7 p.m. and he was like, okay, your room is ready. And I was like, bless you. It was really funny, like, being so happy about a 7 p.m. 7 p.m. check-in, because it's just like normally we're like used to 3 p.m. check-ins. Yeah, so I thought that was really interesting. What else? So pricing, yeah, like I said, it was like, I think I paid like $30 a night for this room for a Saturday night. I'm sure it might be cheaper on like a Sunday, Monday, or a Tuesday, like, but yeah, $30 a night. I thought that was really cheap. So also, what did I see? That this hotel does day rentals. You can rent a room for just a couple hours during the day. That right there, I was like, the suspicion bells rang off in my head, where I was like, okay, that's a little iffy. But I ignored it. I was like, whatever, who cares? But yeah, all in all, Hotel K, a nice establishment. But that's how I accidentally stayed at a love hotel in Seoul, South Korea.